Let me show you a quick tip to convert CAD lines into Business Center line strings. We get this question quite often, so I'll show you how to go about doing it. There's a kind of a simple routine that you can use to achieve this. So I brought in a DWG file in the Business Center, and you'll notice if I select on a line here, it's a CAD polyline or just a CAD line. If it was an arc, the same thing would happen. So what I need to do is convert these all to line strings. To do this, I'm going to use the lines command, or elevate lines command is what I'm actually going to use. And I'm going to use the setting for text insertion. So you need a piece of text that has a numerical value, like 100. And you can place that piece of text somewhere out in space, away from your data. You can see here that I'm going to use this square foot value that's within my supermarket. I already have a piece of text that I have here. I don't want to use one of these pieces because it's too close to the line work, and I don't want it to elevate, and then I would have to do another routine. So what I'm going to do is just simply pick that piece of text, which is that one, and I'm going to select the lines, which is everything. So I'm just doing a window selection around all of that. Okay. The tolerance you want to set is you want to make it small enough so that the lines don't get picked up by this piece of text. So I'm going to set it to 0.001. And I'm just going to click on apply. And when I do that, you'll see it's gone through and it's converted these CAD lines to line strings. So if I pick on it, it's now a line string. If I pick on this one, it's now a line string. So all the line work now are Business Center line strings, so I can use those within my data prep and takeoff workflow and processes.